Welcome to the Miele Dishwasher customer programming video. Depending on individual family schedules, some may choose to run the dishwasher at the end of the day prior to retiring for the night. In this case, the preference may be to turn off the end of program buzzer. The buzzer at the end of a program sounds 5 times in intervals with a brief break in between. The buzzer sounds up to 1 hour if the dishwasher is not turned off. The end of program buzzer is activated by default. It can be set to off so it does not sound at the end of the program. Today, we will show you how to access customer programming mode to change your end of program buzzer setting. For demonstration purposes, we will be using the G2170. Please refer to your operating instructions for details regarding your specific model. To access customer programming mode, let's start by turning the dishwasher off. Press and hold the program button down. At the same time, press the on button like so. Keep holding the program button down until the lower right program indicator, rinse and hold, LED illuminates. You are now in customer programming mode. Now press the program button 4 times to take you to the buzzer on-off setting options. You will see the intake drain light flashing in intervals of 4. This confirms you are at the right settings location. If the Sani wash or upper right LED flashes, your end of program buzzer is currently set to on. If the LED is off, your buzzer is currently set to off. To change this setting to your preference, press and hold the program button down until the intake drain light illuminates steady. Simply press the program button once and the buzzer is turned off. The Sani wash LED should not be flashing at this point. Now turn the dishwasher off and your changes are saved. To confirm the end of program buzzer is off, go back into customer programming mode by again pressing and holding the program button and then pressing the on button. Wait for the lower right indicator to light and then release the program button. Again, press the program button 4 times until the intake drain LED flashes in intervals of 4. Confirm your Sani wash LED is not flashing. This confirms your buzzer is off. To turn the buzzer back on at this point, press the program button until the intake drain LED illuminates steady. Then press the program button once, the Sani wash LED flashes, and the buzzer is now back on. To turn off, simply press the program button again, the LED is off, and the end of program buzzer is now back off. Once your settings preference is confirmed, turn the dishwasher off and your settings are saved. This concludes this dishwasher customer programming video. Please check back for future instructional videos. Thanks for watching.